Okay, resetting the datum on a barometer. Firstly, remove the cover plate. Then remove the knob, little screw in there, small screwdriver, pull the knob off. Now we've got to remove this bush. Sometimes it's easier to hold the bush and with a screwdriver unscrew the screw that's in the centre of the bush and take the bush off. There's a small D-shaped shaft where it fits back on there. Remove the 4 screws on the end plate. End plate removed. Now we've got a bush here with 1, 2, 3 Allen screws with an Allen key. I've got mine on a small hole to make it easier. Put that into the Allen screw, undo the screw, the lock screw, and with your small screwdriver place that into the shaft. There's a screw head inside there. Place that in there and you can rotate that to change the setting of the millibars. You can reset it. That's how you reset it. So what you would do, you would put the setting that you want to read here, 1005 millibars, and then you would loosen that off and rotate this until the indicator just breaks. Now it's a bit difficult because you've got 2 hands and you've got to press that in. So what I do is just use a small cork, or you can have somebody else press that in for you. But this works quite well. Just put a small cork in there and that switches the indicator on all the time, whilst it allows you then to reset this to the correct reading there when that light breaks. And then you tighten up the screws, or you tighten up the lock screws. There's 3 of them, 1, 2, and there's another one there, 3 around the other side. You tighten them all up and then you check your setting to see if it's reading the correct pressure setting that you want it to be. If it's 1005 millibars, as that comes up to 1005 millibars, the neon in there should break. And that does it. All you then do is to repeat the process of putting the things back together again. Cover plate on, bush on. Remember there's a D-shaped hole in the end there. Screws in there, that screw in the end, and the knob back on. Job done.